Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva. Whether you're creating this for personal use, your business, or a client, learning how to craft a striking cover photo can significantly enhance your Facebook page's aesthetics. The best part is you don't need to be a design expert to do it. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. It's a fantastic platform that offers a variety of customizable templates, and it's user-friendly even for beginners. Once you're on Canva's homepage, navigate to the search bar located at the top. Here, you'll type in Facebook cover photo. This search will yield a wide array of pre-designed templates specifically tailored for Facebook cover dimensions, taking the hassle out of manually resizing your design. With the search complete, you'll see a selection of templates appear. Take your time to scroll through these options. You're looking for a design that resonates with the theme or message you want to convey on your Facebook page. Whether you're in search of something modern and minimalistic or vibrant and detailed, there's likely a template that perfectly fits your needs. Clicking on the template you like will bring up a larger view, allowing you to get a better sense of its potential for your project. Once you've selected a template, you'll find a button that says Customize this template. Click this to open the template in Canva's editor, where the real fun begins. The editor is an intuitive space where you can make this design your own. Here, you're not only going to have tools to modify text and colors, but also an extensive library of images, shapes, and other elements you might want to add. Now that you're in the customization phase, let's start with the text. You can click directly on any text box in the template to modify the words to your liking. Whether it's a catchy tagline, your business name, or an inspirational quote, make sure the text reflects the image you aim to send across your social media channel. Experiment with fonts and sizes to ensure clarity and a good visual balance with other design elements. Next, let's talk about the images in the template. You have the option to keep the existing images if they fit your theme, or you can click on them to replace them with your own. Simply upload your preferred images from your computer or select from Canva's vast stock image library. Choose images that are high in quality and appropriately resonate with your content or theme. And there you have it. After personalizing the text and images to your satisfaction, take a moment to review your design. Ensure that it's both visually appealing and representative of your intended message. Once you're happy with the final result, you can easily download your creation and upload it as your new Facebook cover photo. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps on how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva easy and helpful.